I see you, dog. Long time no live.
Yo, hey dad, this is how you merge your TikTok live studio and TikTok Finity or Tickfinity. That's what it's called. To read out your live chat. Yo, what up, family? It's your boy, Fifth Dog 47, aka your friendly neighborhood, the GOAT. We're back again with another TikTok live tutorial. Y'all been wondering, when there's that time, maybe like I'm playing a game, then somebody is on the chat saying something, then we hear a voiceover in the background.
Yes.
Saying whatever the chat was saying. For an example, something like this.
I see you, dog. Long time no live.
Yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can do that to yourself too.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
No homo. With no further ado, here's what you're gonna need. I will leave everything that has to do with the link description in the link in the description below. So first thing first you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and head over to your favorite browser. As you know, I love using Microsoft. Then you're gonna search download Tickfinity. Like this. You're gonna go ahead and click on the first link. This first link is gonna bring you here, and just go ahead and click for download for Windows. I will leave the video link in the description below.
I don't think he will come back again.
After it's done installing, open file, and let me just close this. There you go. When you first download Tickfinity, it's gonna bring you to this page, okay?
Okay.
Then just click OK. I will do a full tutorial on everything that needs to be done here, but we are here for the chat read out loud AI. So first thing first we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and log in, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna log in using our Google, of course. Okay, we are going back to Tickfinity. Just getting things ready for you. This is just a quick tutorial, guys. Then, as you can see, FFDog47 is connecting. It's telling me about the recent updates, okay? Okay, TikTok require passport video to connect TikTok. You need to log in. Okay, yes. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and log into my TikTok. Let me just grab my phone and I'm gonna scan the QR code. Let me just scan the QR code real quick. As you can see, I've managed to log into my TikTok. My bad. Yeah. Disconnected for now. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and minimize this window and head over to TikTok Live Studio. Okay, TikTok Live Studio. I'm not gonna click yes. I'm gonna go ahead and open my TikTok Live Studio, and I'm gonna go live on TikTok so that when somebody sends a chat during the live stream, it's gonna speak out loud that chat. So I'm gonna give you an example right now, like I did before when I started the video. So let me just do the full screen. Motherfucker, So as we are here in TikTok, this is what we'll have to do. We're gonna just go ahead and click live. If you've seen my previous video, you'll understand what we did here. If you didn't, I'll leave it in my video description below. Nice tripping this one. Hey. What is this now? Okay, let me just close this. Let's go ahead and click live. Hey, it was tripping. I knew it. Got it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click go live. And right now, as we are speaking, we are live, okay? We are live. Let me minimize the windows and open Tikfinity. So, Tikfinity is opening. Tikfinity is connecting. It's still connecting. We already logged in, so it needs to recognize that we are live, okay? As you can see, it says we are live here. I'll go deeper into this on my next video, but I'm here to show you the read out chat live. So we are live. Let me minimize. Then I'm gonna go back to TikTok Studio Live and the chat. I'm gonna type 5dog47 and it's gonna read it out loud. Listen to this.
5dog47.
Y'all heard that, Dad? So one more time, let's test drive it one more time.
I see you, dog. Long time no live.
Y'all heard that. This is how you merge your TikTok live studio and TikTok Finity or Tikfinity. That's what it's called. To read out your live chat. Like for me, I'm always on my gaming monitor, so I can't just keep looking at the chat and focusing on the game. So I just do this so that I can hear the chat while I'm playing the game. So I appreciate y'all for pulling up. It was 5dog. Peace out, family. See you on the next one.
Yeah.